Geno Perez Adventures. I'm still Geno. We got a nice one today. Big 2-story, 5 or 6 bedroom house standing behind me on 1 hectare. It's beautiful. Like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'll give you the price later. Or maybe I won't. Here you go. Quite a house. Sitting on an hectare. I don't know how big the house is, boys and girls, but it's at least 3,000 square feet. Easy. 3,000 square feet. Closest neighbor. View. Citrus trees, some coffee, sugar cane, and there you go. So remember, okay, we're looking out the 2nd floor of the house, and that's quite a view. We've got kind of 4 bedrooms upstairs. We've got this big one with its own veranda. Come in here, you've got like a sitting room. Then this thing here could be either a porch. You could make it into a bedroom. You could even have a bedroom the way it is, because we're in Colombia, man. It never, sure doesn't ever snow. It'll rain hard. I don't think it would hurt anything. You could glass this in. It's pretty nice. That's 2 bedrooms. Got the bathroom. We got a little sitting room. Got the bathroom. Pretty nice, but pretty small. They're always small. But it's nice. And then this bedroom that I just came out of, it's got a big bathroom and closet, or I don't even know what this other room is. If you can tell me what this room is, guys. I guess it could be a closet. It would be pretty huge. So you got 3 proper bedrooms. Another one that can be made into a bedroom. Got a place for closets. But you have no closets. So let's go downstairs. Living room, TV mount, front door, two bedrooms. I don't know why it echoes so bad in here. These would be much nicer if they had a glass enclosure. And they're just not that expensive, a couple $100. The downstairs So it's basically a 5-bedroom, maybe 6. Kitchen is pretty nice, granite countertops, got an oven. That's a rarity. Wash basin, hand washing, lavanderia. This is a place for a washroom. Place for the washing machine. Barbecue pit, stove, door to the inside. The view is fabulous. The front view. Well, there you have it. Another day in the life. So, it's a pretty cool house.